Hey everyone, welcome back. If you forgot your iPhone passcode, here's how you can reset it or forgot password. Make sure you remember your iCloud ID password. So you're gonna click on forgot password. Make sure your device is connected with the Wi-Fi. Then you will click on this option called start iPhone reset. Then make sure you enter the correct Apple ID password for this device. So I have entered my iCloud password. I'm gonna click on enter button. Then it's going to validate your iPhone password. So if the validation is successfully, then you're going to click on this option cancel or erase iPhone. But in our case, we are going with the erase iPhone because we forgot the password, and it gives you a warning. It will erase all the content and media and setting that's cannot be underdone. If your iCloud is backed up already, it will show you like before. So don't worry about this. Then just click on erase iPhone. So what it does, it just reset your iPhone, but you can bring your iCloud backup. If your iCloud backup is up to date, just don't worry about anything because it will going to bring your all iCloud backup to your new device. So you can enter your Apple ID and password, then you will see all the apps and backup there. So it start rebooting my device. I will get back to you. It might take few minutes, but just be patient. So the device has been booted up. So let's get started. Choose your language, then country, then continue. So it will give you an option set up with another device. I assume in your case you will not have the device, so just click on setup without another device, then enter the Wi-Fi passcode. So once you enter the Wi-Fi password, it will activate your iPhone. Then you need to enter your Apple ID and password. That's a mandatory step because we reset it. So then just choose the adult, then click on later, then enter your iPhone passcode which you want to use now. So in my case, I'm just gonna go with 1111. Use anyway 111. So it's creating a new passcode. So now this is the option, very careful, you gotta choose it. So click on the first option called from iCloud backup, then enter your Apple ID password here. So I have entered my Apple ID, then I'm gonna click on enter button, then enter a passcode. So now click on enter again. It will validate your Apple ID and password. If that check is passed, so this is a two-factor authentication. I have to enter the passcode. So I have entered the passcode and it will validate the two-factor authentication. Now hit agree. So now it will bring your iCloud backup. So don't worry about it. You're not going to lose any data as long you backed up to like recently. So don't freak out. So it's asking now if you have an old password, but in our case we don't remember the old passcode for this iPhone. Then click on try later. So let me enter this passcode. Oh yeah, you're going to enter a new passcode which you created. So then you choose an iCloud backup. So which backup? Just go with all the recent one. So in my case is July 9. Choose the most recent one, then click on it, then click on match setting, then set up later, or you can click on continue if you have an Apple card, but in my case I don't have an Apple card. Then it start doing the restore from your iCloud. So just gotta be patient. If you have maybe a 500 gigabyte or 256 gigabyte, it might take more time, but in my case it's for demo purposes. It's going to take only few minutes because I don't have a ton of gigabyte data stored in my iPhone. So let's just enter the passcode which we created, 111. Then it says this restore completed because we did it right away. Then set up later. So you will see all the data. Now there is no data loss. So please consider like and subscribe my channel if you find this video useful, because it took me a lot of time to do some research, find it in a right way how to restore the data without losing the data. So thank you for watching. Please consider like and subscribe. So for this step, I would like to tell you, like, if you don't have a eSIM, you can set it up later. You can watch my video how to transfer over, or you can just scan a QR code. I assume you don't have it, so just hit setup later or skip. Then it's easy process. It only take few minutes to set it up. Then get started. Here you will see all the data. It will bring all the apps as it is which you had before. Thank you for watching. Please consider like and subscribe my channel if you find this useful.